Yep, that's me. Bowed, oversized blazer, oversized pants, shoes 2 sizes too big, big smile across my face, completely unaware that I was about to enter some of the hardest 6 years of my life. I was heading for my first day of high school and let's just say it was not good. But before you get excited, I'm not here to tell you some sob story about how I was once a failing student and then discovered some secret study trick and suddenly became a straight A star student. That's not what happened. The truth is, I was always him. I never failed. I was the kid everyone wanted to beat, both literally and metaphorically. But they never did. I was just that good. I mean, here are the receipts. I was collecting A's like Thanos was collecting Infinity Stones. IGCSEs came around, I got 6 A stars and 5 A's. A-levels came around, I got 3 A stars. And even if you rewind all the way back to primary school, I was still him. Although there was this girl I came second to like 5 years in a row, but we don't talk about that. I know what some of you guys are probably thinking right now. Let me click off this video. This guy's just flexing on us with his natural intelligence. And yes, it's true. I am flexing on you. But none of this was achieved through natural intelligence. I'm only saying all this just to show you what's possible when you hold yourself accountable and actually put in the work. And to be completely honest with you, most of you watching this video can get the same results I got, possibly even better. The reason you're not already getting those grades is not because you're incapable, but because you're distracted. I recently put out a poll asking you guys what your screen time on your phone was, and the numbers I got were outrageous. I mean, over 30% of you guys spend 6 to 10 hours on your phone every single day. That's crazy. Imagine if you took only 1 hour from those 10 hours and you did maths every single day without fail. Cambridge would be out of business by now. But in all fairness, I get it. It's not your fault. These social media companies spend billions of dollars fighting to get your attention, so it's very easy to get distracted. And I'll be honest, I also find myself doom scrolling sometimes. The only difference is that I've just reduced the points of failure. So I can't access social media on my phone because I've got app blockers, and to delete these app blockers I need a password, and I didn't set that password, so I'm completely blocked out on my phone, which leaves my laptop. But I mainly use my laptop for productive work, and for the social media platforms that I do use on my laptop, I have a browser extension that removes recommended videos, so my homepage is completely blank. So when I want to watch a video, I have to intentionally search for that video and watch that video, which reduces the chances of me doom scrolling because there is no algorithm that's trying to get me to doom scroll. And beyond that, I have people in my life that hold me accountable and make sure that I do the things that I say I'm going to do. Now, I don't expect you to be extreme as me with cutting off social media, but you need someone to hold you accountable. A friend, a mentor, a tutor, a study buddy, just someone. Because for a lot of you guys, the problem is not that you need some magical study method. It's just that you're not doing enough maths consistently enough. Let me give you an example. One of my one-on-one students, Zaydan, he's got a shocking screen time, and to this day I still don't approve. He's doing like 8 to 10 hours every single day, and I still cannot fathom how a human being can sit and doom scroll for 10 hours every single day. But he's doing it. And yet this same guy still managed to get an A for AS Maths. He got 83% for major in 2026. Not because he completely stopped doom scrolling. In fact, I think he's doing way more doom scrolling than he was in the past. So not because he completely became a different person, but because we set apart 5 hours every week, 1 hour every weekday where Zaydan and I did maths together. I started tutoring him last year. He came to me and he said, I got 5 marks out of 75 for a trick test. He says, Tak, I'm bailing. I need to do dentistry, so I need to get an A. And over time, we were able to transform it. Not by doing anything crazy, not by using some secret study method, but by just doing a small amount of maths consistently. She came to me with a D for AS Maths, and she wrote a major in 2026, and she got an A. And the funny thing is, she was literally saying that if she failed, it would only be because she was lazy. But she still managed to get an A regardless. And it's not just Claudia and Zaydan. I've worked with other students as well, and they've done extremely well. I've even worked with teachers who are new to the Cambridge syllabus, tutoring them and helping them get up to speed. So when I say anyone can improve, I mean it. But you need structure, you need accountability, and you need to actually put in the work. So if you're writing AS or A-level maths in October, November 2026, I want to help you. I want to hold you accountable. I want to help you focus on the topics that actually matter. I want to help you build out that exam technique. And I want to help you get closer to the grade you need to be able to get into your dream university. That's why I'm running 4-week live classes for CIE, AS, and A-level maths. There will be 3 separate classes, one for P1, one for P3, one for S1. In these classes, we'll focus on the topics that carry the most marks, and we'll work through difficult past paper questions together, and we'll help you improve that exam technique. You get the opportunity to ask questions when you're stuck. And most importantly, I will call you out when you're not putting in the work, because that's the point. This is not just another set of YouTube videos for you to watch passively whilst pretending that you're studying. This is structured live support. For the pure classes P1 and P3, each class will have 12 live lessons in total. That's 3 lessons per week for 4 weeks. The lessons will be on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. The times will be in the evenings. You can find the exact timings in the registration form, but I'll tell you how to access that in a bit. For the S1 class, there'll be 8 live lessons in total. That's 2 lessons per week for 4 weeks. The lessons will be on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And on top of the live classes, I'm also adding 3 bonuses for everyone who joins, because I really do want you guys to do well for your exams. If you join any one of the classes, you get lifetime access to the SMIYL revision notes for free. If you join any one of the classes, you get lifetime access to the SMIYL topical worksheets for free. And if you join any one of the classes, you get early access to the SMIYL guest papers for October, November 2026. I don't know what more you guys need to be incentivized to join. So to join any of the pure classes and get all the bonuses, it will cost you a total of only $100. And to join the S1 class and get all the bonuses, it will cost you a total of $75. And just to be clear, I'm not promising that you'll magically get an A just because you join. You will still have to put in the work. But if you need structure, accountability, live teaching, exam focused practice, and someone to actually call you out when you're not putting in the effort, then this is exactly what these classes are for. To join, click the first link in the description, fill in the registration form. Once you fill in the form, you'll be redirected to the payment page where you can select the class or classes you want to join and then make the payment. But please note, completing the registration form does not reserve your seat. Your seat is only confirmed once full payment has been received. There are only 15 seats available in each class. Once those seats are filled, enrollment is closed. I'm keeping the classes small because I want to be able to personally assist every individual student that joins the classes. So if you're writing in October, November 2026 and you know you need help, don't wait until it's too late. Click the first link in the description down below, fill in the registration form, choose your class, make the payment, and I'll see you on the inside.